Hey, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to show you a few of the mango trees that I purchased online here. They're 2 to 3 foot in 3-gallon pots from Everglades Farm in Homestead, Florida. And I bought them online. But I just want to show you some of the different ones I have here. This one is the fruit cocktail mango. We have a Dwarf Hawaiian in a 3-gallon pot. These two I just received today in the mail, so they actually look pretty good. This one's actually got quite a few branches on it too. Up here. So we're going to transplant these into 3-gallon or 10-gallon pots from the 3-gallon pots today. This is the Julie. So I got the Julie, the Cogshall, and the Namdok Mai last week. So this one just had some yellow leaves on top, and they're actually starting to get pretty green now. That's the Julie. Here's the Cogshall. This one's a nice little bushy one too. And we have the Namdok Mai, number 4. So there's my 5 mango trees that I purchased online, and we're gonna put those in 10-gallon pots over here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on some of my tropical stuff and some of the trees in my backyard.